But wonke amakasi from Siyabuso Alexander Tembisa to Soweto, I always wonder why la majita la bhemizol anama voice I4 their entire lives. Bane voice yokutoyitoya, bane voice yokushela, bane voice enormal bese baba ne voice yokubhema. It's always something like this. Banokushisa library nje for fun. Bese balanda municipality nge voice yani yokutoyitoya yo complain. Ayinhleke yazini na masipala ugcwele. Athina soyishisa le library uzobona ukuthi abantwana bageleza vo. Maka sakhuluma so ivoice ya change because sekabona uCherry sekuyi voice yokushela. Ababeza che. Asinini ngithi siyalabo ma state yethu. Bese uba ne voice normal, it kicks in all the time. Makaqeda ukubopha izolo, makacela uMatches. Sure Spicho, angeke stick so Matches boy. Uspicho akanaso, uza ngapha kuMavukeni. Mavukeni angeke stick so Matches. uMavukeni makaceda ukumgaya stick so Matches ulight izolo ushaya iphafe one sekuyi voice yokubhema. Wena ngithi guys stick so Matches kaja guys isabara yakade abaphithi uMavukeni yonke icebele. Are you guys aware ukuthi abantu ababhema izolo bekho right? They can walk for 10 kilometers without talking to each other. Bayavaya bothenga izolo ilanga liyashisa is 12 p.m. Bafika babhaya izolo bayabuya still abakakhulumi. Mabahlala phansi, that's when they realize ukuthi whatever that we were supposed to be talking while we were going there, nayi lento khanifika manje. Cause makaceda ukushaya izolo, naceda ukushaya iphafe one lalela. Liyashisa lilanga. Khanulizo manje. Abantu ababhema izolo bekho right. They can never say a word bangakabhemi. So makathi liyashisa ilanga ukhuluma yi-one. Cause lezi azikabhemi. 3 minutes later izolo mayidlula iza ngapha. Ayizwari liyashisa boy. Khani uphendula manje. So automatically ziringa zi2 cause lo akakabhemi. 3 minutes later izolo mayiza ngapha. Akena mina ngilizwe nini ukuthi liyashisa.